Welcome! In this video, we're going to inform you about rendering with a transparent background on Maya with Arnold. First, let's create a simple scene. Then, let's do some lighting and create some simple materials. Now, go to the render settings and set the output to render a PNG file. If you open the Arnold viewer and render an image, it will save and transparency will be there. However, this will not happen if you use batch rendering, which is what RebusFarm actually does. So keep this in mind when submitting an Arnold job and you would like to see transparencies. Choose another image format like TIFF or EXR so you will get it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments section. Here are also some other videos that might interest you. To keep up to date with our channel, don't forget to subscribe.